Okay, two trades for the week. It's been a very slow market. Haven't been able to find many trades. I found two, one of which I shouldn't have got in. So that one was AMTD. It made some pretty massive moves. I got in this and I'm not really sure I should have really. It wasn't the best of trades. The only real thing it had going for it on the specific day I got in was it was bouncing off of the 131 support. You can see it's tapped this area quite a few times, held it down here, retested here and again here. So this is quite a big level and it's come down to that. My entry was pretty shocking. It did bounce from this level and I got in here as soon as volume started to come in and it was coming up, but really that wasn't a good entry at all. Yeah, it wasn't the type of trade I'm happy with really. I held it for the day and I'm actually still in this trade. It's not breaking down, it's holding up. It created a little wedge over the past few days just here, and it's got some resistance up here too. So if it breaks under this wedge level, I'll probably exit. I'm hoping it will just still go up, even though it wasn't a great trade. It didn't really have much going for it. It can still win. So I'll just hold this one for now and see how it plays out. The next one I'm quite pleased with. This one is MCFT. They were gapping down on news, on earnings. Came down quite a bit. So they were the previous day. The close was 23.75. Went down to the $20 range, and you can see here and here there's some decent support there. Then if you keep going back, you can see it's hit this point multiple times and bounced either up or down. Right in here. So long term on the daily chart, this was quite a key level. I figured this would be a good trade if it could recover the level and hold, as you can see. So this on the 1 minute chart here, so it's been going up above and below all day, and then it came up here and basically tried to push back through again and failed. So I got my initial entry, 200 shares at $20.47, and then I added 50 shares at $20.66 and slowly scaled out as it was going higher. So 75 shares at 20.60, 40 shares at 20.74, 60 shares at 20.77, 35 shares at 20.85, and the final 40 shares at 20.69. Just as it was coming back down here. Just got out in time on that one. Then went straight back to my entry. So overall, this was quite a solid play, to be fair. Pretty pleased. I got in just after the dip, retesting support. For this trade, I made $43.80. So green week, very slow, only two entries. Let's hope things pick up. Catch you in the next video.